Hi everyone, this is Sohaib Hassan, co-founder BMLH, and we are back again with yet another exciting episode of BMLH Studio. Today I am absolutely delighted to have my first ever boss as a marketer, Naima Shabab. She has been very kind person, very kind mentor to me, and I am absolutely delighted to have her in BMLH Studio, our podcast. So welcome to BMLH Studio, boss. कैसी हैं आप?
Thank you so much, Sohaib, and thank you for those kind words. It's really great to see, the people you have worked with,
Yeah.
grown so much, mashallah, say, and over the time, I think you were just mentioning that it's been a decade since we worked together,
Yeah.
and in just 10 years, you have grown and formed this big community of brand marketers all over the world. It's not just in Pakistan now, it has traveled all the way to UAE and KSA as well. So mashallah, hats off to you. That I'm so proud.
चलें अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह. नहीं, आई एम इक्वली प्राउड क्योंकि जो पहला बॉस होता है ना, वो आपकी ग्रूमिंग में, आपकी सारे काम करने की आदत में इट प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग माय फर्स्ट एवर बॉस. हम वैसे हम यूजुअली पॉडकास्ट करते भी थोड़े से मज़ेदार टाइप में, लेकिन इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी मोर कैंडिड कॉन्वर्जेशन. वी विल बी रिकॉलिंग आवर ओल्ड टाइम्स एज वेल. तो हम वहाँ से भी कुछ मस्ती करने वाले हैं आपके साथ. So before we proceed further, our audience will like to know bit more about yourself. So how has your journey been so far as a marketer, right? Starting from Pakistan, then here, and you traveled a lot to different countries. So कैसा चल रहा है आपका experience?
So I would say I've been God has been very kind to me. I've been in the marketing industry for more than 14 years now.
Yeah.
Gosh, it's like, and times just flies. I started my career with Saatchi & Saatchi. And I worked on brands such as Pampers, and at that time we had Sony Ericsson, which is obsolete right now.
Yeah.
But it was great working with Imtisal, with Rashna and Ruby Heather over there. And I still remember that's where I first did all the global campaigns. So of course I remember it's where it all started. And then I decided to work in B2B space. And one of the reasons I encourage youngsters to come into the B2B space as well, because there are hardly any female leaders over here, if you see. Especially coming from Pakistan, if you go to any board meetings, if you go to any managers or CMOs, you will hardly see any female leaders. So there's so much space to grow over there and to make your name as a brand in B2B. So this is one of the reasons I decided to go into insurance, and I joined Adamji Insurance and stayed there for 5 years. And once you stick to insurance, you tend to stick to it, and you will see in further down in my career, I have gone back to insurance quite a lot. But it's technical, but I enjoy that because it's a very different language that you are speaking to the world out there. So and you get to work with different companies because you are insuring a lot of B2B clients. And during that time, I set up their office in Dubai in 2009. So that was my first entry into the UAE world, as I would say. And we ran over digital campaigns and print campaigns over here. Then I shifted from Adamji Insurance to logistics. And I think that's where we met. In our E2E, and it was one of those founders that we had, like Abid Butt, and he's a Syrian entrepreneur, and he has we work with so many other open up so many other companies during the E2E banner, and that is where I learned my entrepreneur skills, I would say, how to become an entrepreneur. I think he was one of those mentors who drove me towards that. Then I moved to TPL, again insurance, but TPL is Ali Jameel. Ali Jameel is bringing a different vision all over Pakistan, I would say. If you hear about TPL investments, in fact, they just have a REIT over here with the UAE government. And they have TPL Properties, TPL Insurance, TPL Live, and he's bringing a new vision to the Pakistani market. And I learned a lot from that group. And what was common in all these things is that all the CEOs were men. I still remember once I did a board meeting for Adamji Insurance, and I was the only female leader to represent. And I was like, I was looked around the room, they were all male members, and I was like, oh my God. And same happened in TPL. it was
E2E as well?
E2E as well.
The only female HOD.
That's true. That's very true. And you know what? It happened with when I joined a mortgage appraisal based company, US, which was set up in Pakistan. Again, I was the only HOD female. So
I am recalling some of those meetings when we used to go to some of the clients along with the sales team, तो वो भी परेशान हो जाते थे यार, लॉजिस्टिक्स में लड़कियां भी काम करती हैं.
वही कह रहे थे ट्रकिंग के लिए. तुम्हें याद होगा कि हम जाते थे लॉजिस्टिक्स सर्विस और ट्रकिंग करने, और ट्रकिंग में कैसे वेंडर्स होते हैं और वो बात ही नहीं कर, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था उनको कैसे बात करें हमसे.
भाई तो याद नहीं आ रहा है आपको?
बिल्कुल याद आ रहा है, मैं कैसे भूल सकती हूँ. ओह माय गॉड. और वो लॉजिस्टिक्स वेयर हाउस, इफ यू रिमेंबर, कोरंगी में, उधर तो जाने के लिए इतना मसला होता था. आई रिमेंबर यूज्ड टू लीव एट 5 or 6 के भाई रात में नहीं कर सकते ट्रैवल. So yes, so mashallah. And then my sister has been in Dubai, and she said, Laima, like, why you in Pakistan? And I think I really credit her for pulling me out of that country, like Pakistan, and making me come to UAE and start a career over here. So yes, my brother-in-law and my sister have been my mentors all my life for sure.
चैलेंज ज़बरदस्त. सो एक्साइटिंग करियर, एक्साइटिंग जर्नी. मुझे ये बताएं कि कोई आउट ऑफ एनी ऑफ दीज ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस कोई आपको ह्यूमर अपना याद आ रहा है, कोई कैंपेन का BTS मोमेंट या कोई भी ऐसा आपके बॉस के साथ कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ हो या किसी भी टीम मेंबर के साथ जिसमें यू एंजॉयड इट अ लॉट?
Oh my God, that's a very tough question. इतने सारे memories हैं, हर जगह कोई ना कोई different memories, humor वाला. Humor तो नहीं,
Any challenge?
I remember challenge. Humor भी कहेंगे, challenge भी कहेंगे. मैं बताती हूँ TPL में. So we were launching the first ever e-commerce business in TPL. और लोगों के लिए, पूरी market के लिए बहुत different था, क्योंकि insurance ऑनलाइन कौन खरीदता है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, राइट. लाइव का सुना है, जनरल ऑटो इंश्योरेंस अभी भी मार्केट इज ट्राइंग टू गेट यूज्ड टू इट. और फिर उसके बाद लाइक वी हैड ट्रैकिंग बिजनेस ऑनलाइन. सो हमें ई कॉम बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना था और बिग फ्राइडे था. यू ऑल नो नवंबर में बिग फ्राइडे. पूरी रात हम लोग ऑफिस में थे, एंड एट 12 o'clock वी फाउंड दैट कि हमारा जो बैकलिंक है पेमेंट सिस्टम HBL के साथ, वो इट्स नॉट मूविंग फॉरवर्ड, एंड वी आर लॉन्चिंग इन द मॉर्निंग, एंड इट वाज क्रेजी. सो अब हर कोई परेशान कि अली जमील को जाके कौन बताएगा. इट्स लाइक the ID had disappeared. I don't want to say his name because I will get in a lot of trouble. But he just disappeared. He wasn't even operating my call. I think I remembered calling my links in HBL कि भाई कोई phone उठा ले, like our payment system is not working. And at the end we were like and इत्तेफाक से अली जमील was very anxious and we was very happy that we are going online. तो वो भी ऑफिस में थे 12 बजे तक. Very big कौन रहते हैं, मगर he was there. So मुझे याद है हम सब जो है नीचे ज़मीन पे बैठे हुए हैं, कोई आधा लेटा हुआ है, सब बैठे हुए हैं कि पेमेंट सिस्टम नहीं हो रहा, तो वी कांट गो होम एंड नॉट पॉसिबल. सो एंड देन सडनली वी हर्ड अ कमोशन, क्या अली जमील ऊपर आ रहे हैं. And we just ran to our seats and started working. कुछ पता नहीं स्क्रीन पे क्या चल रहा है, बस कुछ. He was like, हाँ भाई क्या हो रहा है. That's how he said, like, what's happening? What happened? What's wrong? And then my CMO at that time, Akib, he'd explain everything. He was like, then he made a few cons. I think he like woke everybody in that bank, and we got our systems up and running in 1 hour. So I think I can never forget that night. How we survived and launched the biggest campaign for Big Friday.
तो आकिब भाई, अगर आप ये देख रहे हैं, अभी आकिब भाई से मैं recently in Future Fest लाहौर में, he was also one of the speakers there. तो हमारी बड़ी अच्छी गपशप रही थी. तो आकिब भाई को ये वाला कट करके मैं भेजता हूँ ताकि उनको कुछ याद आ जाएगा. तो बॉस, you were talking about B2B, your career trajectory आपने as a marketer, because while we all were studying millennials या ये सारी जो जनरेशन है, हमारा तो पैशन होता ही FMCG था. तो you took your career towards B2B side. What are some of the advices that you would like to give to our audience? Because a lot of people these days are trying to move from Pakistan to UAE, और वो शायद एक मायोपिक विजन के साथ आते हैं कि यार these are the limited targeted companies. तो क्या आपके ख्याल में क्या आप उनको कहना चाहोगे?
That's very good question. So I will take you back a few steps back before answering it. So मैं जब दुबई में आई, it's very difficult to come into the market because usually आप एक top positions पे आ रहे होते हैं, right? So एक थोड़ा सा होता है कि you're gonna start from the bottom, right? So like it's a bit difficult. So मैंने सोचा कि क्या करूँ, like full time jobs के लिए I was looking around but I wasn't getting the salary that I deserved, and I didn't want to start at a low salary because once you start low it takes a while to grow.
Yeah.
So I decided, I was talking to one of my my sister's friends, and they opened their own company, and they used to work in IBM. So now they started their own digital agency, and it's going great, by the name of Genealogy, which has also been acquired by other company right now, but it's huge in digital transformation. And she mentioned about Go Freelance Visa, where you have 3 year. Now it's gone into 2 years, I think, but at my time period was 3 years, where you get 3 years residency and you can work for anyone on a contractual basis.
ठीक है.
And I decided to go for that. And it has helped me so much because क्या कहना चाहिए, I have been open to choices of where to take up offers, right? I have been working with, I was fortunate enough कि मैं कहूँगी मैं UAE के 2 biggest events में काम किया है, वो दुबई एक्सपो पे और COP28 पे.
ज़बरदस्त.
And then I work with one of the startups in Hub 71, which is part of Mubadala. So that was huge. And now I'm working for Marsh McLaren. So ये I would say कि just because I had a freelance visa, and in between I traveled to Italy as well to do my second master's. So I could only do it because I wasn't tied with one company. That said, what I've seen is I have always been B2B, और मैं कभी stray नहीं हुई हूँ. Even if I work for Dubai Expo and COP28, I work with Edelman, but it's very different. It's not consumer faced, right? And उसमें मुझे ये लगता है कि there's so much room and to play. It's like ठीक है आप TV पे campaigns नहीं कर रहे हैं, but now there's nothing like push marketing वो खत्म हो रही है, right? It's like slowly going away. It's all about content marketing. It's making sure that you tell a story of the brand and how you do it. And B2B में you have so much power to do it on your own. Like my campaigns come from global, right? But I still get to localize it. Right? And कुछ like in consumer marketing it says that okay वो ad आ रहा है localize कर लो. Creativity I would say कि it's very limited as I feel. And B2B में it's such a hard sell. Selling your product or solution, just not product solution but your company as well. It's very difficult. And then internal comms play a huge part in B2B business, which I feel in B2C it's not there. So imagine you are getting experience in internal comms as well as external comms as well. So you have a more greater bandwidth when it comes to marketing in B2B than B2C, and that's what I'm feeling. And मैं कहूँगी कि अभी इस वक्त पाकिस्तानी मार्केट जो है वो B2B में UAE में नहीं है. There's so much chances. And as per, we did a poll for Global Risk Report. So we have a Global Risk Report that Marsh McLaren does with World Economic Forum at Davos. And उसमें top priorities आई और फिर हम लोगों ने फिर एक poll किया UAE में. And the top risk that came up was talent shortage. So they are saying there is talent shortage over there. You need to find out where it is. अब ज़्यादातर लोग वही digital marketing agencies में अगर जाओगे, B2C में जाओगे, बहुत competitive field है. You have people coming from Europe, UK, US, right? Who have been working the consumer की like language ही कुछ और है. So B2B में you will find less of those people. So I would say that youngsters that don't let go B2B, it can be technical and dry, but it pays a good amount. You establish your brand and you learn a lot more.
And you have more chances to grow, obviously.
For sure.
Sahi. So you talked about some freelance visa, and so I would like to ask more about it. If somebody is trying to explore that, so what should be some of the tips? कैसे करना चाहिए, क्या करना चाहिए?
So अभी मैं जो market देखी थी, in fact I try my best. I'm trying to run a newsletter on LinkedIn as well for nomadic freelance, and it tells you information about just not the freelance visa in Dubai but in different parts of Europe as well. क्योंकि सिर्फ UAE में freelance नहीं खुल गया, you can get one in Estonia, you can get one in Spain, you can get one in Portugal and Belgrade, Serbia as well. So there are a lot of companies that are opening a freelance visa to work with you, and that's one topic that's very close to my heart, and I've seen there are not many people who are talking about it, so I want to be known in that space. So I'm working with a lot of different companies on that. So UAE में जो जर्नी है इस वक्त बहुत सारी कंपनीज रन कर रही हैं फ्रीलांस वीजा. So I would say एक तो do your homework. Don't go for anyone which is offering it for less money. बिकॉज
ठीक
वो
है।
क्या होता है कि लेस मनी तो आपको मिलेगा बट इट वोंट गिव यू द फैसिलिटी. So I did it with Go Freelance, which is part of Dubai Media City. So it has different categories. If you are into film and production, you get it from Dubai Production City. Then you have the Dubai Media City, which have digital marketers, brand marketing, and like all
Yeah,
these.
yeah.
So it is a bit expensive, but what you can do is that you get to link yourself with Dubai Media City.
Yeah.
You have an office over there. It's building number 8. आप जाके उसको use भी कर सकते हैं. You can have your meetings over there. You get to meet other people over there.
Yeah.
बहुत बड़ी networking space है उनकी.
Yeah.
So yes, so I would say do your research. Go for a deal that you know that is authentic. ठीक है, like in the money, it's an investment.
Yeah, yeah.
शुरू में इन्वेस्टमेंट होगा, but I would say कि मेरा जो फर्स्ट फ्रीलांस लाइसेंस था, so you pay for the visa fee and you pay for the license, which is renewed every year.
ठीक है.
Right, I think it's around 10,000 dirhams, which you need to renew every year for the license fee.
Yeah.
And you get to pay for the Emirates ID as well. And if you get a contractual jobs or something like एक आपको अच्छा client मिल जाए, आपको 10,000 within a month आपके cover हो जाते हैं, right? So I think it's a good investment, especially for youngsters who want to into the UAE market, finding it difficult to secure a job.
Yeah.
So I would suggest this is a good part to flow through.
बिल्कुल,
But
ठीक है.
इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा important है networking.
Yeah.
So hey, UAE is a very big market on PR and networking. When I came, I networked like crazy. I think
Yeah.
most of the contacts I made was through Dubai Expo. I just like randomly went to events, talked to a lot of people. And then like there's a meetup app that you can install and like join groups over there as well. There's
Can
Astrolabs.
you share the name of the app? also?
It's a meetup app. It's called
Meetup.
Meetup. Yeah,
अच्छा,
on
ठीक है.
it's on iPhone and Google. So
ठीक है.
all over the world, जितने भी events होते हैं, then you can choose it according to your likes and dislikes.
सही है.
It also
बिल्कुल
has
ठीक है.
got lovely like if you want to go trekking or something as well. So वहाँ पे business networking events भी है. Then
जबरदस्त.
there's Astrolabs in JLT, which is huge co-working space as well. So you can join Astrolabs. And उधर networking events होते रहते हैं. So you can become a part of that as well. So it's just that people are just so fixed in being in their own group, और वही एक कंपनी ढूंढी है कि यूनिलीवर्स और PNGs और लाइक एजेंसीज में काम करना है कि वो लोग और देखते नहीं हैं. स्टार्टअप्स, oh my God, I know the startups had a financial crunch over the years, but now some startups are getting seed money. They are getting investments, right? So do give them a chance, I would say. And this is the place like Astrolabs and places, co-working spaces like this makes you meet those people and those entrepreneurs and startup companies. So it's a good thing.
सही. So I have seen your journey as a marketer. आपने brand management, corporate communications, उसके बाद जब digital आया तो आपने you deep dived into digital. उसके बाद now Web 3.0. अब आप कुछ तो what are some of the skills that you would like to advise to our viewers? या आपको क्या लगता है कि evolution अब आगे और किस तरफ होने वाली है ताकि लोग अपने आप को उन skills पे upgrade करें?
Evaluation, मुझे तो लगता है AI is going to be the thing. I'm started reading the book Age of AI by Henry Kissinger. So like I just started it. So I'm trying to find so what is happening. So sudden interest in AI. I listen to every podcast of AI. I think I was like when this like Sam was fired of ChatGPT. I was on LinkedIn doing like crazy because I just covered Mira, the COO, and I was communicating with a lot of people on network कि क्या होने वाला है AI में, इसको क्या करेगा ChatGPT and stuff. So AI is the next big thing for sure. And इसमें मैं just add करूँगी, we just had a panel discussion yesterday, and some people were like, some of the panelists were sure नहीं AI will take over jobs and this and that, and I was just thinking कि global risk में तो नहीं आया है कि the jobs will be no more. It's just that the person who does not use AI will be taking over the person who uses AI. And another thing, it's like organizations will become more leaner, and that's what I've seen it. So most of the like 10 people who are working on something, now it will be cut down to 3 because there are new tools coming up every time, right? You have digital marketing, maybe there are new tools coming up and things like that. So you have to make sure that you upskill yourself of what is happening. और जहाँ अगर वो 10 से 3 कट करें तो आप उन 3 में से हो. And how do you do that is, first of all, I would say read. piece. Like there are so many books में interest नहीं है तो भाई magazines, Wire.com. Oh my god, I love Wire.com. I think I've read every edition, UAE का भी, UK का भी, US का भी. So I'm big on that. Books, as I told you. Then what really changed my perspective of everything and how I'm still inclined to a lot of new tools that are coming up is that when I took a break in between my work and I went to Italy to study. Although I studied food and beverage, which is very different because like my goal is 5 or 10 years down the line when I retire, I want to open my own restaurant and a winery. That's my dream in Italy somewhere. Have my own land.
So my food will be free of cost there.
Bilkul. You can come anytime in Spain or Italy. I want to buy a plot and just like grow my own things. I'm big on sustainability and growing crop. So उसमें क्या हुआ कि like 6 months I was, and somebody really like there was discussion on women leadership, and one of my Marsh McLennan CCO mentioned, and it related to me so much, that you should always be friends with 10 years younger than you and 10 years older than you, because you learn a lot. And that is what happened. When I went to Italy, all my class fellows were 10 years or 12 years younger than me, and I learned so much on them. I learned what new tools were coming, so it was really good to be back in school. Or not a minute I realized that I'm too old for this school. So there is no age for learning. And keep on learning, keep on upskilling yourself, listen to a lot of podcasts, and never feel that you know everything. I never do that. I like मैं अभी like तुमसे भी I keep talking to you and thinking what is happening, and even younger people than me, because you never know. We like when I was born, we didn't have these Instagram and social media and stuff like that. I belong to the untraditional, like, you know, when print abhi tak wo chhap raha hota tha and things like that. And this is a new era for me. So I need to, if I need to go ahead in this, I need to learn from others.
चलें ज़बरदस्त. तो अब इतनी सारी सीरियस बातों के बाद इट्स नाउ टाइम फॉर सब मजाक मस्ती. मुझे बताएं कि आपके 2 फेवरेट ब्रांड्स कौन से हैं? कोई से
फेवरेट ब्रांड्स
कोई से भी हो सकता है, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ द कैटेगरी.
बहुत टफ है, लाइक टफ एज इन लाइक आई हैव, अब मुझे ये नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि मैं सस्टेनेबल होके वो वाले ब्रांड्स बोलूं या दिल से जो पसंद है वो बोलूं.
कोई भी जो आपको दिल से पसंद है.
ओके, तो
जहाँ पे अगर फॉर एग्जांपल नायमा वाज बोलेंगी कि यार अगर मुझे यहाँ से ऑफर आ जाए तो मैं तो फौरन चली जाऊंगी, सोचूंगी.
एप्पल से
Apple.
I know it's so bad. I don't know, but I feel like Apple
Isha,
is so
I'm really sad you were unable to convince Naima was. ये ईशा को भेजूंगा मैं काट के.
But you have to understand कि Apple की brand storytelling बहुत ज़बरदस्त है. On all the phone categories I've seen, I like Apple's brand story the best, because I don't know if you've seen the video about the Mother Nature coming. There's this, but you have to see that. It's in a boardroom and Mother Nature comes and how she says that we are destroying the planet, and like Apple did that. So it was like just resonated with me. And Apple has always have a human connection to me. I know it's very expensive, pricey उसका वो है, पर और कुछ tech की.
और दूसरा कौन सा ब्रांड है ये बताएं फिर आप.
दूसरा मैं कहूँगी लाइक एक ज़माने में आई वॉज वेरी पैट्रियोटिक, पाकिस्तानी ब्रांड्स जो बहुत वो करते थे, बट आई थिंक आई एम वेरी क्लोज टू करीम, बिकॉज करीम has a very good story to tell. Because I knew I don't know if you were there when Junaid was our CEO in A2E, right? So he, like, because I work closely with him and he has such a good story of Kareem and what he said. Or I've seen people around me work there, and once Kareem was sold and all the stocks they regained for it. So it just that like the brand really touched me.
Allah Taala की तरफ से आसान ब्रांड्स आ गए आपके पास. And now as a marketer, if you were to come up with a co-branded campaign for these 2 brands, so what would be the idea?
Branded campaign तो मुझे सोच के वो बोलना चाहिए था, क्योंकि मैं कुछ और चेंज कर लूँ थोड़ा सा.
नहीं ना, इसलिए तो हम पहले पूछ लेते हैं.
Oh my god, फिर तो मैं करती हूँ, because I did a co-branded campaign in my school and I mixed together fashion with wine. It was more exciting. I should have chosen the one I did in school. करीम और एप्पल के लिए आसान है यार, वो तो लाइक फोन है तो लाइक को ब्रांडेड, बट आई वांट टू डू.
आपको पता है हम पाकिस्तान में एक पॉडकास्ट रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग वहाँ पे करते क्या है कि एक हमारे पास बोल होता है, उसमें से हम 2 चिट्स उठवाते हैं और उसमें जो भी 2 ब्रांड्स आ गए अब आपको उस पर को ब्रांडेड कैंपेन करनी है. तो एक बार कोलगेट और पैम्पर्स आ गया था,
Oh,
तो
that is difficult.
तो आपके पास तो बड़ा आसान आ
नहीं
गया.
वही मैं कह रही हूँ ना, आसान है तो बहुत ही कॉमन है कि because Kareem uses an app in your
Yeah.
phone to drive around, right?
So there can be a lot of synergies.
Synergies.
Yeah.
So there's so much synergies that won't be exciting.
Yeah.
So I will tell you what I did for
Yeah.
my school,
Yeah.
which is going to be
Yeah.
more exciting.
Yeah.
So I was given the same task
Yeah.
by a teacher, and I chose one of the very local, favorite brands in wine brands in Italy of the Tuscany Puglia region, and उसको मैंने mix किया fashion के साथ, and it's all about because Milan is all about fashion.
Yeah.
And I wanted to co-brand the fashion with the wine. So you have like wine bottle coming, but NFTs of the fashion artist. So unke dresses, and they label and they change the bottling according to the fashion statement that they have. So it just like it was a very different, because abhi there's a brand in Italy that has bottle labeling done through Naples. So Naples में एक skull होता है, like they have it in there, and the bottle is according to that. So there's so much, and now wineries have gone into NFTs as well. So it's all about creativity and designing as well. So आपका जो labeling होती है वो बहुत change हो रही है wine की. वहाँ तो आपको बहुत ही normal labels मिलते हैं. So what you can do is so much with because Italy is known for wine, it's known for fashion, so that's a good collaboration as well. So I did that. Kareem or Apple में, it's like so much things you can do with them.
Yeah. चलें, तो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टुवर्ड्स द रैपिड फायर राउंड.
Oh, okay, interesting.
मैं 1 मिनट में आपसे जितने ज़्यादा सवाल पूछ सकता हूँ पूछूंगा,
अच्छा.
एंड यू विल बी एज क्विक एज पॉसिबल एज यू कैन बी. सो योर फेवरेट बॉस सो फार.
Favorite boss so far? Oh my god! I will.
किसी को तो नाराज करना पड़ेगा, बल्कि बहुत सारे
ये रैपिड फायर है, अब मैं जल्दी
बोलना पड़ेगा. जो पहला नाम आ रहा है.
Yeah, favorite. नहीं
ये
my
तो
god,
बोलना
it's very
पड़ेगा.
difficult.
टाइम निकल रहा है, स्कोर कम हो रहा है. आप खाली एक आंसर देंगे, स्कोर कम हो जाएगा, पॉडकास्ट के व्यूज गिर जाएंगे.
आकिब भाई मुझसे.
आकिब
It was fun. It was fun working with
मैं
him.
ये काट के आबिद भट्ट सर को भेज दूंगा, बता
नहीं,
रहा हूँ.
नहीं करना, नहीं
ये नहीं करना.
It was fun working with him.
चलें, ये तो आपके लिए आसान होगा. योर फेवरेट टीम मेंबर.
Team member तुम?
सही है. योर फेवरेट बुक.
Book. So non-fiction है.
कोई भी हो सकती है.
Alif की, there's Arthur Alif, The Island of a Thousand Trees. So why I like that book, sorry मैं थोड़ा rapid fire में कर रही हूँ, but it's about the region like which is वो Turkey और Greece के में जो region है वो उसके ऊपर है. It's like a very good story considering the war and love and वो तो it's a very good read. So I love that book.
तो वॉर और लव दोनों आ गया तो किताब तो अच्छी होगी ना. सही है. योर मोस्ट फेवरेट जार्गन, मार्केटिंग जार्गन, कोई एक ऐसा वर्ड जो आप बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करती हो. होता है ना किसी मार्केटर का, यार आई लव टू वर्क ऑन की इनसाइट्स एटसेट्रा.
आज का तो मेरा डेटा
डेटा ड्रिवन एआई ड्रिवन मार्केटिंग,
machine learning, AI driven, data driven. Yeah, it's like it's all the game.
Any of your favorite jingles, marketing jingle that you can recall?
Oh my god, this is so embarrassing क्योंकि मुझे अभी पता है क्या याद आया फूड से कह के, अम्मा टल्लो में पकाओ. Oh my god, I cannot believe कि मुझे ये याद आया.
जबरदस्त. कुडोस टू तलूस टीम यार, ये तो मतलब इतनी ज़बरदस्त लाइन है कि आपको पाकिस्तान से इतना दूर होने के बावजूद भी अभी तक वो याद रह रही है. चलें, सो वी टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट सक्सेसेस, हम फेलियर्स की बात नहीं करते थे ज़्यादा. इसी तरीके से वी टॉक अ लॉट अबाउट ट्रेंड्स जो कि इवॉल्व हो रहे हैं, लेकिन हम कभी ये नहीं सोचते कि यार कोई ट्रेंड हो सकता है कि एक मिथ भी हो जो कि बर्स्ट हो जाए. सो एनीथिंग दैट यू कैन सी कि यार ये एक ऐसा मिथ इस वक्त चल रहा है मार्केटिंग में दैट कैन बी बर्स्टेड सून.
सो मैंने ये नोट किया कि मैं लाइक इट हैज़ टेकन अ स्टॉल, मगर अभी भी चल रहा है. सो I started looking into Web3 metaverse space a lot and NFTs. But what has happened is that it's still not being monitored well, right? Decentralized हम कर तो रहे हैं, but there's a lot of securities involved with it. So I won't say it's a myth, but unless and until we put securities in place and we control the information, I know we talk about being decentralized and opening it, but there has to be some boundaries. Because as you know, Facebook जो Meta one, like the stock prices went a lot down, right? If you look at brands now, suddenly everybody was moving into the metaverse place, but now it's hushes, it's more about AI, right? So that's one of the things. And NFTs भी, a lot of people came up with fake NFTs, और वो भी एक बिल्कुल ही like down हो गया एकदम से, and now like it has domains or and everything. In fact, I like, thank God मैंने invest नहीं किया, but I was big on NFTs and metaverse. So that is something I wouldn't say a bit, but इतना सारा misinformation create कर देते हैं कि it becomes very unhealthy, and it affects the person. And I'm trying to learn cryptocurrency and Bitcoin, but I'm still bad at it. So that is something that I need to, but I won't say it's a myth, but there is a lot of place that needs to be done, because Ukraine is huge on this. UAE भी है, but काफ़ी पाकिस्तान वगैरह में भी आपने देखा होगा अभी put stop किया. अभी in fact अब जाके PayPal आया है पाकिस्तान में, and I was like, oh my God, it's so late. And other thing is like, AI, I would say, is here to stay. It's not a myth or anything. And so that's something I would encourage everybody to get on the trend. For sure.
Coming towards our favorite question, you have been one of the founding members of BMLH. तो कैसी जर्नी रही आपकी हमारे साथ, और anything about yesterday's event?
Yes, so it has been an amazing journey. मुझे याद है मैं अभी तक पाकिस्तान वाले ग्रुप से कनेक्टेड हूँ, although कि अब मैं इतना अरसा हो गया पाकिस्तान को छोड़े हुए, it's more than 3 years, but I still feel
हमने सोचा ना आप पाकिस्तान आ नहीं है तो हम अपना ग्रुप इधर
लेके आ जाए. I'm so glad, and I was very happy that you came to UAE, and you know when you said कि COVID के दौरान, like when people, because I've seen people lose their jobs during COVID, and it was such a good platform that you guys had when we could talk and vent out our problems and connect to each other. And I didn't realize there were so many people, and in fact अभी भी मैंने इतने सारे लोगों को इंटर किया, because I keep, whenever I go, and I would say with pride, मैं ज़रूर BMLH को promote करती हूँ. In fact, one of my first meetings with Asad was like, I just put it forward. I was like, oh, there's, because he was talking about a Pakistan mentorship, मैंने कहा क्यों खोल रहे, BMLH है ना, why don't you join it? So it's something I'm really proud of, and to be honest, like making it run, because you're running it, I feel proud, because when you spend 15 or more than years in your career, so you want कि आपके पास like there are some legacies from you, and you see that you change a people's life, or you आपकी जो leadership styles है कुछ किसी ने को motivate किया, that's such huge thing. So माशाल्लाह से BMLH has going, and कल का event I would say बहुत successful गया, and because a lot of people turned up. I think we had to cancel. People were coming in the last minute, जो हमें मना करना पड़ा. The panel discussion was really nice. I would encourage के और भी panel discussions ऐसी होने चाहिए. बड़े platform पे ना करो, छोटे platform पे करो, but make people talk. Have more conversations and make them like every 3 months or so you can arrange a small meetup at any of the places. There are a lot of co-working spaces. You can use my links as well to host on Dubai Media City, because like we as a group freelancers, we have the authority to book places like that. So we can have those, like even small, like 20-25 लोगों, मगर at least conversation should be keep flowing. So
नहीं चलें, थैंक यू सो मच. आई एम स्टेइंग हियर टिल 29th Feb, तो हम करते हैं कुछ दोबारा. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कनेक्टिंग अस विद असद सर. ऑल्सो आई मेट हिम वंस एट मेट सैम्बल्स, जो पास्ट ने अपनी एक बहुत बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंस करवाई थी. इट वॉज लवली मीटिंग हिम, एंड ऑब्वियसली इट वॉज एन ऑनर टू हैव यू, obviously my first ever boss, or Asad sir and all the panelists on the stage. So you have inspired a lot of young marketeers like me, although I'm not too much young as of now. So but obviously बहुत सारे लोग आपको देख के inspire your, and thank you for so much for guiding me on LinkedIn. I know not only in terms of being my first boss as a marketeer, but also my LinkedIn first guru. मुझे याद है उस वक्त जब आप E2E में हमें इनकरेज करती थी कि बेटा काम होता रहता है, नेटवर्क कर.
Oh my God, उससे याद आया मैं तो सॉरी मैं तुम्हें काटूंगी मगर याद दिलाऊंगी। तुम्हें याद है कि अब मैं नेटवर्क वो लिंक्डइन हैंडल करी थी आबिद भट्ट का भी, तो एक दफा हम लोग की रेस चल रही थी कि कौन फर्स्ट होगा, टॉप पे होगा कि
मैं कहा था बॉस मैं छोड़ूंगा आपको पीछे
और छोड़ दिया मुझे पीछे, नो डाउट कि तुमने छोड़ दिया, बट दैट वाज अ वेरी गुड मेमोरी कि हम लोग लाइक लिटरली लिंक्डइन के टॉप आने में इतना लड़ रहे थे कि कौन आता है और लाइक और एक दफा लाइक कुछ दिनों में आबिद भट्ट नीचे आए थे, हम लोग ऊपर आए थे, was like what is happening? I was like
नहीं यार जबरदस्त सीन था। तो any message that you would like to give to aspiring marketeers, young future leaders who will be listening to you, तो अगर आप उनके लिए कोई मैसेज देना चाहें।
फर्स्ट थिंग इज फर्स्ट, मुझे एक लगता है कि अनलर्न मैं क्यों कहूँगी क्योंकि बहुत सारे लाइक हम बचपन से कुछ चीज़ें सीखते हुए आते हैं, हम छोड़ते नहीं हैं। You should unlearn a few things, and because that will give you the capacity to take on new things. So it's very important to have an open mindset. Very important, open mindset. Coming from Pakistan to different companies and different countries. In fact, क्योंकि मैंने इटली में भी काम किया है, worked a bit in UK as well. It's a very different market altogether, right? And you have to be very disciplined. मुझे एक लगता है कि पाकिस्तानी डिसिप्लिन चाहिए। इवन मैं भी नहीं थी, मैं 10-11 बजे ऑफिस जाती थी और यहाँ आई स्टार्ट माई मॉर्निंग एट 6:30. आई वेक अप, आई लाइक हैव माई कॉफी एंड टी, आई हैव लिसन टू माई पॉडकास्ट and do my little bit of meditation, and then I'm in office at 8:30 at the most, right? I start my day early, like end my day like around 10:30, like so have discipline in life. इसमें मैं like gym भी मौका मिले तो चली जाती हूँ, like do activities like यहाँ पे pedal बहुत you know it's very active. You go I did story slam. So story slam is something that where you they give you a word and you make like you tell your life experiences during those stories. So attend these events, make like be disciplined in your life and have an open mindset.
चलें ज़बरदस्त। तो be disciplined and have an open mindset. Thank you so much Naima boss for being with us. It was an absolute honor to have this candid discussion and fun discussion with you. It was amazing discussion with you, and thank you so much for being the panelist yesterday. Looking forward to some good party in Dubai.
Definitely, you know, I'm not for party.
अब बैकआउट नहीं कर सकती हैं, रिकॉर्ड हो गया।
नहीं अब तो रिकॉर्ड हो गया। No, I would love to.
चलें, thank you so much. This is BMLS Studio Podcast Dubai special series powered by Myco, and I would like to say a special thanks to one of our Myco team members, Ghassan, who has been sitting there recording this podcast. Without this, it would not have been possible. So thank you so much, Ghassan, for being with us on Sunday and compromising your family time. We really appreciate it. And Myco has been amazing in terms of hospitality. This is your host, Sohaib Hassan, co-founder BMLS, signing off. Thank you.